Today, we're bringing AI to the trades. AI that works for you. Today, lightning strikes, and things will never be the same.
Welcome, Simpro customers from around the world. I'm Fred Voccola, Chairman and CEO of Simpro. And for the last 6 months, we've been embarking on a very transformational initiative at the company. We've called that initiative Lightning. One of the commitments that we made to you 6 months ago is that we would develop an AI-first operating platform that would allow you, the field service trades around the world, to fundamentally change your business, to change your financial rewards, and to make your lives a lot easier. And today, we are super proud to announce the release of Simpro Lightning. The world has changed. In the last 3 years, the world has changed, and artificial intelligence has become the most powerful tool in human history. And artificial intelligence and the proper application of it and the proper usage of it will be what allows you, our customers, through Simpro Lightning, to be able to fundamentally change your profit margins and go from 5 to 20 or 25% on average. Now, our platform, Simpro Lightning, has several components. The first and most important aspect of our platform is its brain. That's the AI engine. Our brain is a field service trade specific brain, leveraging technologies from Anthropic, from OpenAI, a lot of our own technology, most importantly, leveraging a ton of data that allows us to have a very specific purpose-built AI platform for you. And our brain is named after my dog, Cooper, and we will be referring to our brain as Coop moving forward. So the brain does a couple things. When you think about a platform, at the heart of an operating platform for the trades is the Simpro Field Service Management product that all of you have been using for years and years and years. And what the brain does, what our brain does, what Cooper does, is Cooper allows us to innovate so much faster and produce so much more functionality, so many more bug fixes, so many more enhancements in such a short period of time that your field service experience is exponentially improved. The second thing the brain gives you is the operator. The operator is called Just Ask. Just Ask is your virtual chief operating officer, where you can literally, in natural language, which means your voice, ask Cooper anything, and Cooper will give you the answers. And Cooper will store your answers and store your reports for future use. The third thing that Cooper provides is the intelligence for us to continue to provide and build you with agents. We mentioned earlier that the reason the enterprise class field service management trade companies are so profitable is because they have the human infrastructure of dedicated specialist human beings that can do the work. They have dedicated job preppers. They have dedicated note takers. They have dedicated collections experts. They have dedicated customer marketing professionals. They have dedicated procurement professionals, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. What our Cooper does with our platform is Cooper allows us to provide AI-based virtual employees for you at 1/100th the cost of what these employees would cost if you had hired them, providing you with the expertise to ensure that your business operates optimally. Most trade businesses, most owners, most schedulers, most workers, they run on gut feeling. Yeah, you have information, but the information is often hard to get. It's expensive to get. You have to write SQL. You have to pull data out of Simpro and out of other places. Many of you are spending on third-party software products to do a lot of these things. You're trying to customize your reports. You just can't get simple questions. Okay? And here's some data points for it. Right? Many decisions are made without analytics. this probably costs the average field service trade business 5 to 6% profit loss. And that's across every industry, by the way. It's pretty powerful. So now with Just Ask, you ask. There's no more wondering. You literally ask. There are two components to Just Ask. The first is a natural language search capability. And this is talking into your phone. If you want to key it in, you literally just ask. In this example, what's our average first-time fix rate or single-visit job completion for the last year? And here's the response that you get. All the information comes up. It gives you the metrics. It tells you what's happening. There's no querying. There's no knowledge of Power BI or SQL or anything interesting. I can even do it. And in addition to it, it continues. And it's iterative. And it gives you recommendations. Because remember, we have 150 million plus jobs worth of data. We have 23,000 companies worth of data in here. Ask the next question. Which technicians have the highest fix rate? That's what you should be asking next. It's telling you what you should think about. And it provides the information. And it provides this all in real time. Now, the next part about Just Ask is what we call custom dashboards. So we ship with our platform a couple of dozen critical business analytic reports that you should be using. However, because Just Ask is an AI application, every single one of these reports can be customized by just asking, by talking to it. If you want to add 15 customized reports that you look at all the time, great. You design them in Just Ask by talking to Cooper, and Cooper builds them for you. It is a game changer. It is one of the most powerful pieces of AI, I believe, that the practical trade world has and will ever see. So the first is Job Ready. It's a job prep agent. Field Ready will go through all of your jobs, look at the success rate, the failure rate, and guide you and give a line of what needs to be done to prep for that job specifically. If you'd like, you can open it up to all similar jobs among other customers. Obviously, the data is anomalized for privacy, but the system, Cooper, keeps getting smarter and smarter, and it starts recommending to you what needs to be done. Job Scribe is our documentation agent. And this is super important. One of the biggest challenges is a lot of times when the notes are taken and the notes are then presented to a customer, sometimes maybe the handwriting's not so good, maybe the typing's not so good, maybe they don't get done at all. It takes a lot of time and it's a pain. Job Scribe allows the documentation to be automated and presented properly. The job brief summarizes it. So not only are we scribing or are we asking the field technician to describe what their job was verbally, so they don't have to type anything, they can just talk to it. So all note-taking is eliminated from keys or handwriting, and it's all done verbally. The job brief takes that information from Job Scribe and allows that brief to be presented to the customer. And then finally, our training and onboarding agent. This is so critical. Turnover is a big problem. We have an agent coming soon that will help with employee and technician and engineer retention. Right now, what Field Ready does, which you get for free with Lightning, Field Ready is your training and onboarding agent. It allows you the capability to continuously train new people as they come on board. Instead of having to run training classes, having to mentor people, this content can be consumed in 2-minute spigots and 5-minute spigots. You make it easy for people to learn on the job, and you eliminate the need to continuously have to go and create and maintain huge libraries of training content. So thank you. Thank you for your attention and time. If you're wondering what to do, just ask. Reach out to your account manager. We'd be very happy to talk with you about Lightning, get you upgraded, get you going, and taking full advantage of the capabilities that we have.